I'm Sergeant Brian O'Connor and I work in the Transport School.
Brian, can you guide us through what is your day-to-day role in the Transport Corps?
On a day-to-day basis, I am the MT Fitter Instructor Sergeant. So I'm responsible for 50 heavy vehicle mechanic apprentices, the administration and the training of those. We conduct the recovery training for the Defence Forces, both in light and heavy recovery. And as kind of a hobby, but also with a passion, I oversee the Defence Forces vintage fleet.